Hey, this is your sacred scribe again, here with Ted. So, I thought I was done today with Nature Speaks anyway. And then I'm sitting on this rock, right? See the rock? Okay, wait a minute. See the rock? Okay, as I'm sitting on this rock, this tree is throwing acorns at me, like acorns are dropping. So one dropped, and I'm like, okay, I guess acorns are dropping right now. But then another dropped, and then another dropped, and I said, do you have a message? And the acorn stopped dropping. So the tree said yes. So I said, okay, but it wants me to sit on this rock and use this rock as a catalyst for this tree, which I've never been told before, so this will be interesting. This name's tree is Lara, Lara. It's kind of spunky. The energy is spunky. So let's see what Lara has to say. Okay, and yes, I've connected with rocks before, so I didn't get this, I sat on the rock, but I didn't really, give me a moment. One moment, please. Okay, this is what the rock wants me to tell you. Because I've connected with rocks before and got messages. I haven't posted any. I haven't actually gotten messages in quite some time, even for myself, from rocks. But if you're looking at energy, right? Trees' energy is different, for me anyway, from my experience, than the rock. The rock, how can I explain this? There's just a complete stillness. I mean, it makes sense when you think of a rock, it doesn't move, right? Unless somebody moves it or unless nature itself moves it. There's a complete stillness, but still, it's energy, it's consciousness. The consciousness just feels very different, okay? So it's a very different perspective. So why the tree wants me to sort of, I see it as combining these two perspectives. So this will be interesting what this message is about. Okay, I don't know. The rock wanted me to tell you that. Do you have a name? What's your name? Regan. Okay, Regan. Male or female? Female. Okay. So let's see what the tree has to say. Ooh, this is different. Okay. Just give me one moment. I've never actually used like both at the same time. Seriously? Okay. This is the first statement. Okay? Things are not set in stone. I told you the energy is kind of not comical, just, I don't know. It's like a youthful energy that I'm feeling. So, okay. Things are not set in stone. Oh. Everything that you want is only a stone throws away. Really? Every time I hesitate to say what they're saying, they keep just repeating the statement. They won't go on until I state it. So, place yourself above the bar that you set for yourself, as you can reach far beyond it, as you can achieve far beyond what you feel you can. place to hold within yourself is a static like electricity. Did you say that? That is coherent of your presence, for it is you. This static like electricity adheres to your commands. Your commands are your feelings, are your words, are your actions. Oh, okay. So this is why I gotta pause for one moment. This is why they wanted me to do this. Because it's not just from one space, right? This place that they're speaking of is not just from your words. It's not just from your actions. It's not just from your feelings. It's a combination of them all. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, leave no stone unturned. If you feel you are not reaching this place within yourself, keep looking. Keep digging. It is present. It must be present. You exist. It is present within all existence, for it is existence. This space is where your dreams are born. This is the spark of life you give it. That spark of life is synonymous with your attention to it, with your consciousness. So being aware of this spark within you that you carry around every day and every moment is of vital importance, for it is always creating. You must think about that. If it is always creating, what are you creating from your feelings, from your actions, from your consciousness, from your words? If all are of the same importance, you must be aware of every step you take in any and all directions. Align with this and keep aligning, for it takes practice to master. Mastery of the self is your birthright, is your knowing. You already know how to do this. All you need now is that connection, that spark of your consciousness to inject into the light. Is that it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Interesting, because when I channel, I usually channel from the heart. Sometimes it'll go down to my, well, I can't say it's just from the heart, but here with this channeling, at any rate, I felt it a lot in my life force, in my solar plexus. I felt it in the heart, and I felt it in my sacral chakra. So all three, it's like as if all three were aligning there. Wow. Very interesting. And notice, not one acorn dropped as I channeled this message. And just before it, there were 3. Oh, that's interesting. There was 3. Okay. All right, guys. Well, who knows if this is going to be the last channeling for today. All I'm doing is sitting on a rock, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed the message. Please like, share, and subscribe below. Comment. If you're interested in tarot card readings, I do have another channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. Also, check out the new series that I just started. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it, but I did put out the earth signs, channelings from the tree, okay? So messages from the trees for the earth signs are already out. I'll probably do the air signs tomorrow. So, as always, guys, stay within your heart space, stay connected, and stay connected to love. Namaste.